Hello guys, welcome back. My name is KS for General Graphics channel, and the second lesson about 3D Studio Max is how to use 5 steps of 3D Max to make 3D animation short film. Okay, the first, you must modeling. The second, surfacing or texturing, and third, lighting. Fourth, animation or motion. And the fifth, the fifth is rendering. Rendering means you want to make your video animation AVI, MP4, GIF, okay. The first is modeling. There I have an example. I have a sample for you. I know you know this character, Jin Kazama. Taken is the very powerful character. Okay, let's start our lesson. This is the model made by polygons. What's polygons? When you select your model, this is parameters and the table mesh. You can change this, right click in poly. This model is made it different ways, like starting just from a box. In next lesson I will teach you about how to create a character, car. Okay, when you select your model, and this is a different selection of the character elements, like this is element about hair, about body, like this. And this is the vertices. Vertices mean like a pixel of picture photo, but the 3D Max model like a polygons or vertices. This is vertices. Okay, and there is texture. When you model your character, that's just a simple color, white, red, green, blue. This is just modeling. When you want to surfacing or texturing your character, this is a texture like this. Select the textures. You must create your texture in Photoshop program, Illustrator, any 2D programs. Look, there is a different textures about the different part of body, the foot. Okay, drop the texture like this. The texture is ID 1, 2, 3. It's mean the ID 1 is hair, the texture ID 2 is the body texture, ID 3 is the hand texture, the pants texture. Okay, this was modeling and surfacing. About modeling, surfacing. What is the next? Lighting. You can create two type of lighting. The first is just standard lighting, omni light, like this. Okay, zoom out. This is a simple lighting. Render, just simple lighting. If you want to move there, there is the back. The back have no lighting, and the texture is looking white. Why? There is some problem about the texture. Change the color ambience to black. Render again, black. Change the another texture color to black. Render. This is black. Okay, what is the next? You can create target spotlighting. Target spotlighting is like this. Select your light targets. Okay, select the light and shadow on. What is the light color? And there is the light size. Render now. You can create the volume light effect atmosphere at volume light render. This is volume light. Okay, delete this again. And animation or motion, you can create any type of animation. I want to create the very simple animation about camera. Draw a circle like this, circle, then go to camera, target camera, zoom out, create your camera like this. Okay, parent your camera by animation menu and constraints, path to constraints to path, and this is the pick target of camera character. Then when you play your camera, this is the camera movement, camera animation. If you want to see the camera scene looking by camera, change your perspective to camera 1. The shortcut is just press C, play. You can control the line controlling the camera. Play again. Okay, P for perspective. What is the next? Rendering. Press C again for camera movement. You want to make movie animation like this, so go to render setting and select production rendering. This is the second class of 3ds Max. I want to explain very simple about using of 3D Max. Select the frame 1, starting our animation by frame 1, and the end frame is 100. Go set your size of video, HD, full HD, HD. Then go to file and desktop, create a folder and set your video format. What is your video format? QuickTime, AVI, which one? I want to select the QuickTime format and name it 1. Press enter and set the quality of video best. This is the quality of video best. Press OK and then render. The render is starting, just wait. Okay, check your video, go to new folder, play the video. Okay, this is the video, animation short scene, but how to solve the problems of texturing? Go back to 3ds Max and go back to materials, and this is about wow, 26 ID materials. Once by once, change the material color to dark like this. Okay, I solved the materials of the character in 3D Max, then close and render again. Go to render setup and go back, set frame 1 and set the video size quality and files, desktop. Okay, name it video 1, press save, then render again. Before rendering, press shift plus F for video save margins. Okay, change the size. This is the size. For fast rendering, change the video size down of HD press render. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time. This was about 3D Max Class 2. Like, subscribe and ring the bell for supporting our channel. See you next time.